Let me share with you a little secret. Recently, I hired the best tennis coach. It's called ChatGPT Voice to Voice, which has this AI feature that you can have a two-way conversation and it can help you to ace your tennis game. I'm going to show you how we can crack the code of winning points, but we will do it with style, class, speed, and dash of humor. So we will make a tennis game not just better, but brilliantly unstoppable. All of us are leading extremely busy lives these days, and we want to know it all, do it all, and still enjoy our life. So today I'm going to introduce you to a very interesting app called ChatGPT, but with a special feature called Voice. It's only available to ChatGPT for subscribers, but it will enable you to catch up with any kind of expertise that you've always wanted to sit down and learn. You can have a two-way conversation. You can also brush up on any kind of sports strategies. For example, if you're playing tennis, figure out, what are the best strategies to actually win points the fastest way, or brush up on those golf skills. Okay, so I'll take you through the full tutorial. It's very easy to set it up, and actually it's kind of fun to play with it. So first, I need to mention and to remind you that this feature will be only available to ChatGPT for subscribers. So the step number one, we are going to download the official ChatGPT app and make sure that it's the official ChatGPT app for iPhone or Android. Search for ChatGPT in your app store and look for the specific icon. Once found, tap download, and in case you already have one, make sure it's updated and then open it. Step number two, how to enable ChatGPT voice to voice. Okay, so in case you don't see the headphone icon, then go to the top right, tap on the three dots, which are the ellipses, and select settings. You need to have a ChatGPT Plus subscription. Scroll down and tap new features. Then find the options for voice conversations and turn it on. ChatGPT released an update with new tools, including submitting images and voice interactions. I've already provided one video on the images analysis, and in the future, I'll do something also on other voice interactions, okay? So once enabled, you can start having spoken conversations with ChatGPT. It's hands-free, so you don't need to look at your screen. It will gives you the freedom to talk while doing other activities. So it's amazing when you are walking or, just wandering around the house, you can continue learning and having conversation. So all chats will be saved in your history, but any audio clips, they won't be stored. Okay. Step number three, choose a voice for ChatGPT. So this will be down to your own preference. You've got different choices of voices. You can just play with it and then confirm your choice, and you are ready to start conversation. Our next challenge is going to be, I'm a wannabe tennis professional player. Okay, that's my dream, but I've been playing for the past 1.5 years, and I practice maybe 5 times a week. So now I've done the learning, the foundation. So I'm going to ask ChatGPT, can you provide me with the best strategy how to win a point the fastest? Hi, ChatGPT. My next challenge to you is I'm very passionate about playing tennis. I've been playing for the past 1.5 years. I practice 5 times a week, but now I really want to step it up and start winning points faster. Can you share with me the best strategy to win a point in the fastest way? Hi, ChatGPT.
Absolutely. Stepping up your tennis game is exciting. Here are a few strategies to win points quickly. 1. Serve strong. A powerful and well-placed serve can win points outright. Work on both flat serves for power and slice serves to add variety and keep your opponent guessing. 2. Return aggressively. Try to take control of the point early by returning serves aggressively. Aim to hit deep into the corners to push your opponent back. 3. Net play. If you're comfortable at the net, coming in after a strong serve or an aggressive ground stroke can be a good way to finish points quickly with a volley or smash. 4. Hit winners. Identify your opponent's weaknesses and play to those areas. If they struggle with high balls, for example, use topspin to your advantage. 5. Mental game. Keep your opponent under pressure by maintaining a positive and confident body language. Remember, consistency is key, and forcing your opponent to make errors can be just as effective as hitting outright winners. Have you worked with a coach to analyze your game and identify the best strategies for your playing style?
It costs lots of money. Do you have any recommendation how to save money on tennis coaches?
Finding affordable coaching options can be a bit of a challenge, but here are some strategies that might help. 1. Group lessons. They are usually cheaper than private sessions. You still get professional guidance, but at a fraction of the cost. 2. Local clubs or community centers often have coaching available at reduced rates compared to private clubs or personal coaches. 3. Online tutorials. Utilize free or low-cost online resources and video tutorials to complement in-person coaching. 4. Barter services. If you have a skill set that might be useful to a coach, like web design, photography, etc., you could offer to trade services. 5.
Okay. And last question I want to ask ChatGPT, I've got another question. Now understanding that, I play 5 times a week, I'm willing to be coached as well. Now you've shared with me the winning strategies of how to win these points faster. Do you think I've got the potential to become the next Serena Williams?
Your dedication and commitment to improving your tennis game are impressive. While Serena Williams' level of achievement is extraordinary and involves a mix of natural talent, hard work, and circumstance, aiming high is an excellent mindset. With your practice regimen and willingness to seek coaching, you're certainly on the path to greatly improving your skills. It's about setting realistic, incremental goals and continuously challenging yourself. Who knows how far your passion and hard work will take you?
Are you saying I don't have the potential to become the next professional player?
Oh, not at all.
Okay. Do you love this? This is my new best friend. From now on, you can learn, educate yourself, have fun. I mean, I was nearly crying listening to some of the conversations. And honestly, I think from now on, when I go for a walk, I'm definitely going to talk to my new best friend. Ciao, arrivederci.